There are some things that you can't do now in Camtasia 2020 that you used to be able to do in previous versions. The prime example of this is operating system support. For example, you used to be able to install on Mac OS 10.12 and older. Now you have to have Mac OS 10.13 and newer. Similarly, for the Windows, you used to be able to install on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Not anymore. You can only install on a Windows 10 machine. Looking at file support, we used to be able to use these CamRec or Camtasia Recorder files. These are the older files that you would have with Camtasia version 7. If I try to drag this in now, it doesn't support it. Similarly, if I had an older project file and I tried to grab that and drag that in, nope, can't do it. Why? These are different formats. These are the CamProj and CamRec instead of the TREC and TSC-Proj that they now use today. Also, there were some older callouts that are no longer supported and older device frames that you can't use anymore. Instead, just use the latest callouts and latest device frames.